penny board came in a matter of days. We were just talking about buying one and you already have it. I'm taking her down this hill. It's not even that bad. We're halfway up. Go ahead, bro. You scared? Should we maybe try a quarter way down instead of halfway down? Should we try a quarter way down instead of a halfway down?
All the way.
All the way? You want to go up there?
Yeah.
I think you should learn how to ride halfway first. It's not bad though. For it being her second time pennyboarding, she's doing pretty well. She hasn't fallen yet.
It's too fast.
I think she's getting scared because you know when it starts wobbling when you go down hills with skateboards? I think she's getting scared. Wobbling a little bit.
I can't.
Dude, you're almost at the end. And then once you get down here, all you do is just ride off. It's so easy, just stay on. Wait, do you feel yourself wobbling though? Do you feel your board wobbling? Or are you just scared because it's fast?
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine then. As soon as you hit the bottom, you don't gain speed anymore. You start slowing down actually. There you go. Oh, well turn obviously. Oh, a little bit higher this time? All right, take 5. You got it. Just work on your turn. There you go. Yeah!
Try suck it in. Okay, now get me. You're getting a really bad angle right now.
MB, you look fine.
Okay.
Relax. We're at the beach. I know there's a little jump in the vlog, but we were killing some time until everybody was ready to come to the beach.
Extra abs.
Yeah.
Oh, my bikini. Hold on.
Oh my god. I have to resend them.
Oh, you still have them?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, you still have them?
Let's go see what the peeps are up to. We're over here playing spike ball. There's people over here competing right now. We're about to go show the... Oh, get some! What are you doing? Are you digging? Yeah?
Parkour!
Look, wave. Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Tread light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin. If I check, watch me double that. I get it lit, I watch it bubble up. Remember opening for sure.
You're what? Wave jumping? What's that? Another one, another one. Damn, that was good. That was a good volley. Hey girls.
Hi.
Hey girls.
Hi. You want to see the Airbnb?
What are we talking about? Oh yeah. So next week?
Month.
Next month. Next week at the end of the month is Anthony's birthday. And we're planning a trip to Lake Havasu. And we're gonna get fucked up. And MB is planning everything. She has the Airbnb ready. The location ready. The boat ready. The people. The weekend.
We got the setup.
We got the setup. All we need is Anthony to be there.
There's a living room.
Oh my god.
It's not even big. It's
no,
nothing.
but it's nice. That's all you need.
Told her we could have just slept
Oh, I'm excited.
Here's
We?
room 1.
What do you mean we? All 4 of us?
Yeah.
No, somebody in the
Everybody,
driver's seat,
yes.
passenger seat, and then
We'll be so
in the
fucked
bed?
up.
Chee-hoo, bro. What's up, buddy? You ready for Havasu, baby? Yeah. Anthony is such a little bitch. Anthony probably touched a quarter of a beer today. and he asked his girlfriend, hey, can you finish this for me real quick?
I'm not a drinker anymore, man.
What do you mean?
That was my past life.
Hey, I bet if it was Coors Banquet, you'd fucking drink that shit.
That's right, brother, 'cause that's American beer.
As if Hawaiian beer is not part of the Americas.
Was it fish tacos that were in Ensenada?
Ooh.
Those were fucking good. 5.
Don't be touching my butthole, brother. Ready?
Chicken nap. You want chicken nap?
You ready?
Chicken nap right here.
I'm a little buzzed, I'm not gonna lie, you know.
No. Want me to drive?
Yeah, Joel can drive. Fuck it. You can drink your White Claw. I can chill in the back.
I'll drive.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you catch any sweet waves or what?
No, but I just got taken out.
Drink it!
No.
Yes!
My cousin's trying to peer pressure just how to drink it. Look at her.
It's watermelon.
Drink it!
That's a good flavor.
Chug. Drink it. She hates it. She hates herself right now.
Just give it to me.
I'll chug it. I'll take the boy. That's how you fucking drink one time.
What?
Are you mad?
I'm tired.
Same thing.
Only because it's watermelon. If it was any other flavor, I wouldn't give a fuck.
Girls and their fucking White Claws.
I don't like White Claw.
I don't like White Claws either, but I'm on quarantine and I can't drink beer every day, so...
Your boy can.
Fuck the claws. Really.
Ain't no laws when you're drinking claws, baby. That's all I know.
Oh my Lanta.
Yeah,
There he is. Bye.